So, in today's video, we're going to be playing, but using the oof sound effect. So, whenever we take damage, it'll just go, ooh. Let's go. Just to show you guys oof, I'm just going to jump off this here. Show you. Yeah, it just goes oof. That's pretty much all there is to it.
Wait, we might get rushed. Wait, yeah, red. Oh, I know who it is. That's right.
Yeah, see, it's like the oof sound effect.
I'll put some blocks around them there just in case.
Oh yeah, he's kind of jumpy for some reason. But I'm right behind him. Yeah.
You'll stop, right? Oh no, this gets changed. Oh.
W spam.
Okay, come back here, wait for him to jump over.
Well, I've got no idea. Wait, you just stay there. Look, we've got an escape route for when we need it.
Okay, he's running. Let's go rush. So only one map. I got 6 levels.
Yeah, I'm distracted one.
This turret looks good.
Yellow has a huge defense, by the way. Oh, okay, why are both teams rushing us? It's teaming. They're teaming us. And I can't do anything because I've got no gear.
Wait, you didn't get the bed. Why didn't you get the bed? Why didn't you get the bed?
Yeah, I know.
Amazing things terrible.
Wait, did you get that bed?
Yeah, there's only one bed up there. Wait, what defense here? Oh wait, there's only one of them. Oh, that's really bad.
But he's got huge defense, so I don't feel bad. Where are they?
He's just not here. Exactly not. Thank you, Yellow.
Wait. Oh.
That's like. Alright, we can get. Right, Yellow's out now.
Alright, I'll try and rush ahead of the solo. Oh no, he's got diamond sword. He doesn't die there.
He's like really lucky.
Yeah, I know, he just took knockback about a minute later and that just saved his life.
Yeah. Wait, is he going to his life?
I don't know what he thinks he's doing. Oh!
No! What is that lag? Oh my days. This kid is so laggy.
Holy
Don't go on the bridge, Stay
No,
on the bridge.
I've got no idea.
What the hell? He just floated. What?
Probably. Yeah, if we lost the game, I'll be so annoyed. Oh, it's the same kid again. Yeah, he's on red again.
Okay, we target him first then,
Yeah.
Get the laggy one out.
Wait, no, the laggy one left, but his teammate will still pay for his
Wait, Blue's rushing us. Yeah, Blue's. Oh no, wait, oh, they're not.
Oh, okay, this guy's just running around. He's doing the ring around the ocean. Oh yeah, he doesn't have the gear. Oh no, he's got diamond sword. He's got diamond sword, but I still fucked up. Okay, whoa, that was way too close for comfort for that one. What? Oh wait, why is he there?
Red have. Yellow have nothing.
Dead on one light blue. Okay, the light blue's running on 7. No, his text is,
Actually,
no, his text is just not loading. He's hiding. Wait, can you
I'm gonna try and find him. Wait,
Yeah, you find him. I'll get his phone.
I actually don't know where he is. Is he? Oh, I see him. I think. Wait. Right. Okay. Bye-bye. He's just hiding around the back. Oh, yeah, I'm coming.
Bye-bye.
Just keep killing him if you can.
He's got to 5, so it's pretty well.
Oh, great job, Alf, mate.
Yeah, I'll distract them. I'll distract them.
Anyway, I brought the terracotta. I couldn't.
Oh, he replaced it. How does he have that?
Wait, wait, I'm gonna know. Oh, man.
He replaced it.
It's really I'm gonna camp above their island and wait for him to go in the gym or something.
Yeah, I'll wait. No, I'll come back with better gear and I'll take them.
Do that? Oh, okay. Yeah, just try to take it.
Oh, okay. He voided himself and me.
Oh, gosh. Can't you know we did? Oh, that is. Yeah, you got so nice, okay. Wait, I'm gonna get that regen, please.
No, that wouldn't really dead.
Thank you. Did you love it?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. GG.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. It was pretty successful and I'll see you guys next time.